days is the Mexican rice. Simple yet very yummy to eat. Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. Me Mukta Nagaraj showing you a easy way of doing Mexican rice. In a pan, I am drizzling some olive oil. Put in garlic, few red chilies, red bell pepper and tomatoes. Now the moisture in the tomatoes have gone, I'll switch off the hob and crush this without adding water. I've made this into a fine paste. Now in the pan, I'm going to add in the olive oil. I'm adding in the finely chopped onions. Grated carrots. I'm adding in the rice. Any long grain rice will do. The paste. I'm adding in the water. A teaspoon of salt, at this stage you can even check for the salt taste. If you want more, you can add it. Now it is boiling. I'll close the lid and allow one whistle. Now the pressure is gone. Now I'm going to loosen with a fork. Now it's ready to eat. I can serve this. I'm going to eat this with some tomato salsa. I have shared the link below for the salsa. Do like and subscribe SBL Foods.